lecture, we'll discuss about the Boltzmann molecular scale statistical model that relates the entropy of a system to the number of microstates possible for the system. A microstate is basically a specific configuration of the location and energies of the atoms or molecules that comprise the system. So entropy in that case is given as mathematically the entropy of the system in terms of their microstates are S equal to K ln W, where K is the Boltzmann constant and its value is 1.38 into 10 is to minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So this is Boltzmann constant, and where W is the number of microstates possible. Now let's do that question. The question is, consider the system shown here. What is the change in entropy for a process that converts the system from distribution A to C? So this is the distribution A, this is the A distribution, and this is the C distribution. Now it is clear that number of microstates in A distribution is only 1, but in the C distribution we have total of 6 microstates. That is the 6 way of arrangements there. So we have 6 microstates. So basically we can say that the initial microstates is equal to 1 and final microstates is equal to 6. So we can say initial entropy will be equal to K ln W, where W is 1 in that case. So it will be K ln 1 and value of ln 1 is 0, so it will be overall 0. Final entropy will be K ln W, where the microstate value is 6. Okay, or we can say entropy change, that will be S final minus S initial. You can also write it as K ln final microstates, that is the microstate of C, divided by initial microstate, that is microstate of A. Or you can do like this, already we have calculated these values. So final is how much, or let me go by this equation first. It will be K ln final is 6, initial is 1, so it is K ln 6 we are getting. And if you simply subtract S initial from S final, also it is K ln 6 minus 0, that is K ln 6. Now we have to simply put the value of all these things. K value is already we know, it is 1.38 into 10 is to minus 23. Okay, joule per Kelvin, you must keep that unit, and then ln 6. If we just find it the values, okay, we are going to get finally 2.47 into 10 is to 23, sorry, minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So this is the final entropy change in this case. We can also write this formula as for the entropy change, delta S will be simply K ln final microstates divided by initial number of microstates. So that's all about the Boltzmann molecular scale, that is the statistical model that relates the entropy of a system to the number of microstates. Thank you.